What is autism?
That's what Michelle Drake and her husband asked when not one, but all three of her boys shared the symptoms of autism spectrum disorder.
Language delays or odd development of language. Does your child prefer to be playing by themselves or kind of standoffish in a group situations? And then we talked about the sensory, holding ears and flapping hands, and pulls away from touch and hugs.
According to the website autismspeaks.org, autism is a complex group of disorders that affects the brain's development, characterized by difficulties in social interaction, difficulties in verbal and nonverbal communication, and repetitive behaviors. All autistic children are different. That's why they call it spectrum disorder, because some symptoms are more severe than others. Basically, autistic children sense the world at heightened levels, meaning when you and I see and hear this, they see and hear this. Dr. Francesca Kostner of the Brain Center says there's no clear-cut cause of autism.
But we kind of suspicious that it's a combination of genetic and environmental factors, such as toxins in our environment. And as our world becomes more toxic, of course we're going to see more cases of developmental disorders, period. If there is autism, you cannot prevent it. It's going to develop in your child, and your child is going to have it.
But there are a lot of things you can do to help, like applied behavior analysis therapy, if your insurance covers it.
ABA is the only therapy that they have found that is very successful for autistic children. It breaks everything down and then it moves at levels that they can understand. It is so sad that no private insurance covers that right now.
It's very time consuming. It requires 15 plus hours a week of therapeutic interventions. It's also very expensive interventions. It's all financial reasons.
So what can parents do to help their child? Actually, a lot. Friday, we'll see how the Drake family and others are coping with autism and moving forward.